Hey, this is how you add someone to your class. I'm in my sandbox, so this page doesn't look as pretty as my other ones do, okay? So what you're going to do in your inner navigation bar, go over here and click People. And this will pop up with everybody that's in the class. So obviously for your enrolled class, there'll be more students listed here. And to add someone, you're just going to click this button that says plus people. So you're going to add people. And you're going to type in their email address. For the purposes of this, I'm going to add myself again. So, of course, you would just type in teresa.hull@chaffey.edu, and then you would select the role. So it's really important that you do not add anybody to your class as a student. Anyone that is a student in your class should be automatically enrolled through the registration process. So do not use this. It's not supposed to be active, but one or two people have still been able to get somebody in there. So don't use that, okay? So you're going to add her as an evaluator or reviewer. Some of the other options are instructional support, which would be Jasmine, or if you want to embed the librarian. So let's go back and add her as an evaluator or reviewer. And then this is the class that she's in. So this will be my sandbox. And then click this button that says Next. And the next thing that's going to pop up is all of the logins that are associated with a person. So Teresa's is going to be at the top as well. The one that you want to select is going to be the one with her initials and her login ID. So select that one at the top, and then click Next. And then you will see the email address and the associated login, and you're just going to go ahead and click Add User, and she is there. So you'll see that I am pending right now, and you see that I'm in there as an evaluator and as a reviewer. Okay, so let me go and accept the invitation, and I'll show you how to take her out. Okay, hold please. Okay, I'm back on the other side. I had to go to one of my classes that I was already in to show you how to take Teresa out. So you'll see Teresa has been in this class already, so I can't remove her again. So we're going to go to my my student version of me. So what you would do, just go to Teresa's name and then hit the dot. See the three dots, and then you will this large window will pop up, and you're just going to remove her from the course. I'm not going to click it, because it'll take me out. But go ahead and click remove from course, and then after that you will see that her name will change to inactive. So she won't be able to view the course anymore. Okay? All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you need anything else. All right, bye.